One problem that most every nonprofit organization faces is that all of their data lives in a bunch of different tools and platforms. And those platforms rarely talk to each other. And even if they do, they normally don't talk to each other very well. The beauty of Avid is that it can talk to every single one of those platforms, pull all of their data together, connecting it all so that you can see everything in one place and get a true, accurate picture of what's working and what's not in your fundraising program. In order to make that happen, you've got to connect your tools. And that's what you can find in the organization settings. If you click on the little gear here that says settings, click on the connections tab, you'll be able to manage every single tool that's connected to your Avid login. Now, you'll find a couple different ways inside of here to connect your tools. You'll want to make sure you have your CRM connected, your email marketing tools, any advertising tools. If you're using additional tools to capture newsletter signups, new emails, as well as your Google Analytics, all of those systems can be connected to Avid so they can start talking to each other, giving you a better picture of what's happening in your program. I want to show you very briefly how you can add one of those systems. If you go over here, you click the Add button, it'll give you two different options. We'll talk about the system first. If you click on System, you'll find a list of all the various platforms that we have direct integrations with. You can search through the list, you can scroll through it, and more than likely you'll find a handful of tools that you're using in your current tech stack today that you want to connect to Avid. I'll show you, if you just click into one of them, it will give you some very clear instructions for how to go connect that tool. In some cases, you need to go grab an API key from the tool that you use. Other cases, there's a login authentication, but Avid will walk you through all the different instructions in order to make sure you get your tools connected. If we go back, I want to show you one other option, because you may find that not every single tool that you have currently has an integration. If not, you can let us know and we can get it on our roadmap. But you might find that you have other data in other places that you still need to pull out and get into Avid. And if that's the case, you can always upload a data file. There's a few ways to do that. You can hit the upload button and drag and drop a file on your computer or your laptop right into Avid and upload it immediately. Or if you're pushing data out to an SFTP server, you can go set up some automatic pulls so that every single day it's going to go pull that data off the server and put it into Avid in a secure fashion. You can also go set up a secure SFTP server that's hosted by Avid as well to do the same thing, where you can automatically pull data that maybe you're pushing out of a tool onto a server, or you're uploading maybe every few days or maybe every week. So you can automatically pull that data in whenever it's new so that it's all connected in one place inside of Avid. By connecting all these tools, these systems, and all this data together, you're going to get a much more accurate picture of what's happening in your program to make better strategic decisions that's ultimately going to help you move your results up and to the right.